And law enforcement agencies going to be on a sharper lookout for those who use marijuana while driving.
It's called the Impaired Driving Campaign, and it is going to be happening on both sides of state line. Abigail James joins us live this morning to talk about this epidemic that law enforcement is really noticing, especially one certain day of the year, Abby.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, well, the reason they're doing it this weekend is because of the date 420, which is unofficially known as Weed Day. And if you plan to get behind your wheel and drive, keep in mind that you can get a DUI. Now, it's something that law enforcement officers say has become an increasing epidemic for the past several years. In 2017, 302 fatal crashes in Missouri involved drivers under the influence of drugs. Now, in addition to law enforcement officers, there will also be drug recognition experts out in an effort to remove the danger on the roadways. Now, officers will issue citations to anyone who refuses to obey the traffic laws, whether it's for driving while impaired, speeding, texting, or failing to buckle up. Deputy Rick Howell with the Johnson County Sheriff's Office says despite cannabis being legalized for recreational and medical use in many states, it is still illegal in all states to drive under the influence of it.
We advise people not to text and drive. Don't put on makeup and drive. We don't want you to be impaired and drive, whether that's drugs or alcohol. Just because it may be legal in some states doesn't mean it's okay to do that and then get behind the wheel of a car.
Now, the Sheriff's Office will join other law enforcement officers in Kansas, Missouri, Nebraska, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. For now, reporting live in Fairway, Abigail James, KCTV5 News.
Okay, thanks, Abby. And the growing use of marijuana may be affecting